Creating a Monzo account from Pakistan is very easy to do. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. Download the Monzo application from the App Store for iOS or Google Play Store for Android. Then install the app on your device. Now open the app and follow the on-screen instructions to sign up. You will likely need to provide personal information, including your name, address, and possibly a form of identification. Monzo may require you to verify your identity. This could involve providing a photo of a government-issued ID and possibly a selfie for facial recognition. Once your identity is verified, you may need to deposit funds into your account. Monzo is known for its neon pink debit card, and you may have the option to order one. Once your account is set up and funded, you can start using your Monzo account for various banking services, including managing your finances, making payments, and more.